what kind of mature use cases can the Huawei Pangu model bring to South Africa to help enterprises unlock this value that we've been talking about?
I can take an example. It is very similar like the coal mining, but it is another example in the steel mills.
Yes.
And which in the steel mills, they want to predict the melt temperature prediction, and it is very important for them. But you know, in a very large blast furnace, it have more than 5,000 cubic meters, very large reactor. In this reactor, a lot of multidimensional data will be intertwined. And also the time lag is different of the different materials.
Yes.
So if you want to predict the temperature, it's very difficult. Previously, they use some of the small models like the machine learning models to solve this problem, but it cannot they cannot solve such complex platform using so many parameters in the same reactor. So in this way, we have our staff, all of the staff is the algorithm experts, AI algorithm experts to the steel mills to work with the old workers together, and they will communicate every day. And at last, we found that maybe the most important thing is find the relationship between the multi-dimensional data and the multimodality data. So this is very important. So just according to the scenarios of the steel mills and about their giant actor, we developed the Pangu prediction models. And it uses a very innovative data structure we call a triplet. To deep dive to drag the relationship between the different data, and at last it is very successful. Its accuracy have achieved to more than 91%.
That's amazing.